Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to use the W command and the last command. In order to show who is logged into the system and what they're doing, we type the command W. If I would like to use the short format and I don't want to print the login time and the GCPU or the PCPU times, then I'm going to type W, then short notation S, or I can type the long notation dash dash short, and it gives us the same output. If I would like to display version information about W command, then I'm going to type W dash uppercase V. If I would like to show the old style output, then I'm going to type W dash O. If I would like to show information about a specific user, for example student, and I hit enter, so we get information about user student. If I would like to show the output and I want to print the output with no header, I'm going to type W then dash H, or I can say okay, this is a short notation, or also maybe I can use the long notation, so dash dash no then dash header, and it gives us the same output. Now let's move on to the next command, the last command. Last command shows a listing of the last logged in users. So for example, I'm going to type last. As you can see here, we have the list of the users here. And if I would like, I'm going to clear the screen, to display the system shutdown entires and run level change, I'm going to run the last command, then dash X. You can see here we got an information. The system shutdown entires and run level changes. I get here, this is the all information if we use the option dash X. Now let's move on to the next one. If I would like to display the host name in the last column, for example, I'm going to type last, then the option dash A. As we can see here, we can get to display the system or the host names in the last columns here. You can see it here. Now if I would like to display full user names and domains names in the output, I'm going to use last then dash W. As we can see here, is display full users names and domains names on the system. If you would like to get more information about these two commands, we can go to the main page, man W. You can see here, this is the main of the W command. You can see here also the options that we can use with this command. You can go back. You can go also to the main page of the last command. That's it for this session. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.